Welcome to this explainer. Tell me, are we treating Allah's beautiful names like some lifeless multiplication table?
People actually think memorizing 99 words just guarantees heaven. But honestly, that completely ruins their true meaning.
So are these names just passive trivia to memorize, or active, living forces shaping our daily lives?
The real secret here is ihsa. Linguistically, it doesn't mean counting at all. It means planting a seed.
You've got to take these divine concepts and actively plant them right into the heart of your everyday life.
Now, looking historically, the famous hadith lists of these 99 names actually contain some pretty glaring contradictions.
Tirmidhi and Ibn Majah's lists deeply conflict. Put them together, and you literally get 125 names. Get this. The name Rab appears a staggering 970 times in the Quran.
But shockingly, Rab isn't even on Tirmidhi's list. How on earth did compilers forget the most used name? This shows a massive rule, the deep theological difference between a permanent noun and a temporary action.
You absolutely cannot just invent a permanent name for God based on a temporary, situational action. God's essence is completely permanent. An action, though, that can fluctuate, happen sometimes, or just not happen.
Like Allah punishes, sure, but he isn't named the Punisher. Nouns reflect core essence, not passing verbs.
Deriving names from verbs or just human logic. That creates some major, dangerous deviations in theological understanding. True internalization means the name Basir, the all-seeing, actively guides your vision to exactly what Allah wants you to see. So how are you going to let these beautiful names manifest in your vision, hearing, and actions today?